Back in 2010 I did a very colourful sketch in colour chalk pastel of this place. It subsequently burnt down during one of our fires in the Cape, and this is now Rooiels as it is, as it remains. What a sad loss, eh? Think of it, what they had, what's left of it. I remember coming into the house over here, and on the right there was a small kitchen, and there was a patio in front over there with a wooden deck. Most outstanding part of this whole place was the view, looking towards Cape Town and Table Mountain over the Rooiels Bridge and the incredible Clarence Drive, I'm sorry, I keep calling it Clarence Drive.